Good afternoon. Today we'll present two types of aircraft Boeing 337-800 and Airbus A320, of which make a comparison to describe these main characteristics. This type of aircraft, Boeing 737, is a short to medium range narrow body an engine engineered and developed by the American company Boeing Commercial Airplanes. It will develop in the world between 1990 and 1981, with a number of other higher than that of the Boeing 707 and Hecon, only compared to that of the latest Boeing 727. Boeing 737-800 winning 126 to rolling 31 meters wingspan, 28.9 meters, tail height 11.1 meters, usual cruising speed 810 kilometers, over cruising range 27.8 kilometers, maximum operating altitude 11,300 meters, maximum takeoff weight 23 tons, engine CF56-331, engine propulsion 97 kilometers to maximum fuel capacity 20 fuel. Okay, the A320 is aircraft emphasized 318, 319, 320, 321, representing the most success and versatile aircraft family in history, seating the 100 to 140 passengers and flying around the world, and 40 passengers, landing on the world-class A320 takes off their length every 1.6 seconds from the center height to the easy lobes on Antarctica or from urban short track environment to remove high altitude airports. The A320 contain passengers anywhere. Crew pilots and the 4 flight attendant capacity passenger on class 164, typical configuration and 180 maximum, to class 150 typical configuration, cargo 37.41 kilometers length, 37.57 meters, wingspan 34.1 meter, height 11.76 meter. Green every 122.67 meters in the weight 40 was 600 kilograms. Boeing versus Airbus. Boeing is as important as Airbus. Boeing is as efficient as Airbus. Airbus is larger than Boeing. Boeing as the most units sold in aviation history. Airbus has more seats than Boeing. Airbus has a larger wingspan than Boeing. Airbus has more capacity to store fuel than Boeing. And Boeing has enough capacity to store fuel. The aircraft that caught my attention the most was the Airbus A320 because it's a much larger aircraft than to the Boeing, and the tunnel make it interesting in the terms of the structure, which is more detailed and better designed. That's it. Bye.